Today we create this, which is called the double exposure effect. This effect is cool and attractive. You can use this to make your unique and creative video. So let's start. We use these clips to create this effect. First we drag this clip into a timeline on the second layer. Here is one important thing you get in your mind. Your clip must have light background and a dark subject. Otherwise, the effect is not looking good. You can see here, this white background and the subject is dark. This clip is perfect for creating this effect. You can shoot your own video otherwise. You can download clips like this on Envato Elements. Envato has all assets like stock videos, video templates, stock photos, effects, fonts, music, and much more ready-made templates, which is so helpful to create awesome work fast and save our time. Check the link in the description to know more about Envato Elements. Select a clip. So next we go to the Color tab. And here we go to Curves to make this clip more contrast. And make curves like this. You can see here we have a dark contrast clip which is perfect for create double exposure effect. Next, we go to Basic Corrections. Here we first minus the saturation, to get a clear black and white clip. And a little bit exposure increase. And then we minus black. And increase the white. And a little bit highlights and shadow settings. You can see the clip is looking very contrast. Next, we drag a second clip into the timeline. Now select the first clip. Simply go to Effect Control, and change the blending mode into a screen. You can see here double exposure. This is looking very cool. You can play with these different blending modes to get more creative results. Select what you like. Thanks for watching. For more videos, check the link in the description. Please subscribe and turn on notifications for coming future videos. Thank you.